Now I'm going to reinstall the cover on the rear end, and before that I'm going to put this on the gasket on both sides. I used this in the past, and it's very well because when you remove the gasket, in fact the gasket don't stick on the parts. So it is easy to remove the gasket, clean very slightly, and to reinstall another one. So as you can see, it's a French product, but I think that you can find it in the US, for example. It is a semi-thick plastic sealing compound, and I recommend you to use that because it helps to have no leak. And when you remove it, all the parts are very easy to clean. I used it in the past on the same place, on the cover of the rear end, but I use it too with a gasket on the thermostat. I have a little leak, so I change the gasket and I put this, and I have no more leak of water. So I recommend you to use it. So I'm going to put this on both sides and to reinstall. One side is done, so you can see what kind of product it is. Very sticky. So no need to put a lot on the gasket, because when you will reinstall and turn the bolts, it will goes out if there is too much inside both sides. So put a little bit all around. I'm going to put it on the rear end and make the same on the other side and put the cover.